Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to update firmware on Targus docking station. Easy firmware download and update tutorial. Solution 1. Download the utility. Go to the Targus dock utilities and software page. From there, locate your specific docking station model. For example, dock 180 or dock 190, and then download the utility package designed for your operating system, Windows or Mac OS. Solution 2. Prepare your dock. Ensure your docking station is connected to your laptop via the USB-C or USB-A cable, and make sure the dock is plugged into a wall power outlet. Then disconnect any external monitors, storage drivers, or critical USB peripherals before running the update to prevent any interruptions. Solution 3. Run the firmware update. Extract the downloaded file and then run the setup executable or firmware update application and follow the on-screen instructions. Remember, do not disconnect the dock or power off your computer while the update is in progress. And once the update is successful, restart your computer and reconnect your devices again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.